Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken spray foam. First, proper preparation is key for a successful application. Always ensure your surfaces are clean, dry, and free of any dust or oil. If the temperature is above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, a light mist of water can actually improve adhesion and speed up curing. Remember to suit up with gloves, goggles, and a mask for safety. Also, let your foam can reach about 68 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal performance. Now let's get to applying the foam. First, shake the can vigorously for at least 30 seconds to ensure consistent foam. Attach the appropriate nozzle. Nozzle A is for vertical surfaces like walls, while nozzle B is ideal for ceilings. Hold the can upside down during application, keeping it 12 to 18 inches from walls and 6 to 8 inches from ceilings. Apply the foam in thin, even layers, building up to a total thickness of no more than 2 inches. After application, the foam will quickly become tack-free, usually within about 5 minutes. However, for the best results in full strength, allow the foam to completely cure for a full 24 hours. Once cured, any excess or overexpanded foam can be easily trimmed away using a utility knife or similar tool. For outdoor applications, remember to protect the cured foam from ultraviolet rays by covering it with paint or another suitable coating. Cleanup is crucial for maintaining your tools. Immediately after use, clean your spray gun and nozzle with Kraken Bond foam cleaner to remove any uncured foam. Remember, once the foam cures, it can only be removed mechanically. For storage, keep your Kraken foam cans upright in a cool, dry location, ideally between 41 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Always ensure good ventilation during and after application to safely dissipate any fumes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.